all illegal entry will immediately be halted, and we will begin the process of returning millions and millions of criminal aliens back to the places from which they came. We will reinstate my Remain in Mexico policy. I will end the practice of catch and release. And I will send troops to the southern border to repel the disastrous invasion of our country.
Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to another video. It's your girl Nadia. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share the video with your family and friends. And let's dive right into the video. Stay tuned, guys. So I'm here thinking of what's going on in America, where deportation of illegal immigrants are concerned. And honestly, guys, I am completely on board, right, with deporting of any illegal immigrant who go to a particular country and commit crime in that country. Once a person go to a particular country and that person's contribution in that country is crime and violence, deport them, whether it is America, Canada, England, wherever, deport them. I'm on board, definitely on board with that. Now, let's talk about Jamaica. And guys, this is my opinion, so don't crucify me on it. I'm just, sharing my opinion. Jamaica is suffering from brain drain. And when I said brain drain, I mean when the skilled and educated individual or individuals in a particular country leave that country and go live and work in another country, contributing, is skill or education to that country. Now, the country that they're leaving from will be suffering from brain drain. The country that they goes to is benefiting because the skilled and educated individuals are there helping to build that particular economy. Trump is deporting so many quote-unquote illegal immigrants from America back to their particular country of origin. What do you think will happen to the American economy? I know his statement is that
we will make America strong again. We will make America proud again. We will make America safe again. And we will make America great again. God bless you and good night.
Guys, he's not just getting rid of immigrants that are not contributing to the economy, but also immigrants that are contributing to the economy.
The United States is now an occupied country, but it will soon be an occupied country no longer.
Honestly, guys, to me, that just don't make much sense. Lots of people won't agree with me, but like I said before, it's just my opinion. We're going to be honest, guys. Most of these illegal immigrants, right, they are the ones working the jobs that the American or some of the American people will never work.
According to the Federal Reserve, 9.6 million Americans are out of work, and at the same time, employers have 9.3 million openings. It's led some to say people are unemployed because they just don't want to work.
Because to them, these jobs are beneath them or underpaying jobs. Now that this mass deportation took place, I wonder who is going to work those jobs? Don't you think it will affect the American economy? Well, I could be wrong. Let me know what you think. Drop your thoughts in the comment below. Honestly, no Jamaican whatsoever. And I say Jamaican because I'm a Jamaican. No Jamaican wants to run off into another man's country and live in fear and hiding before he or she can get their documents sorted out. The only reason Jamaicans do these things like run off in America is because they are not benefiting from the Jamaican economy. I'm talking about food, housing, education, healthcare, not to mention, simple everyday living. If these were better, then no Jamaican would leave sweet Jamaica to go run off in America. What reason would he do that for? We wouldn't have any reason to do that.
What makes Jamaica special?
What makes Jamaica special? There's nowhere in the world like this place.
Ah,
You understand me?
Yeah.
We might have a little fight with crime,
Yeah.
but this is the best country in the whole world.
yes.
Best Caribbean country.
Well, we have them kind of food, yeah.
Yes.
Them kind of people, yeah.
Yes.
Them kind of breeze, yeah.
And guess what
Them kind of
happened?
seaside, yeah.
And guess what happened? We still have the love.
You still have the love.
We still have the
And
love.
Rasta man say we're free. But very important. Hey, I seriously. You say it again.
We're free.
All right. All right.
So when I hear this thing going on the internet about, oh, these Jamaicans just love to run come to America, just run from them country and run come to America, leech from the country and whatever. Guys, come on. If our economy was the one that was booming and your economy wasn't booming, I know a lot of you would be in the same position right now as those illegal immigrants. Yeah, man, think about it. The only reason why, and I said it and I will say it again, the only reason why most Jamaicans run off in America is because America economy are going good. Jamaica one nice place, you know. Why you think so much Americans always come out here on vacation? Because Jamaica is a nice place. The only thing that is wrong with Jamaica is that people poor and not everybody, because you have a whole lot of rich people in Jamaica, right? But let me say the majority of people are, say, either low class, right? And it's because they can't afford certain things. You understand? Because I said before, education expensive, food expensive, healthcare, another story. So because of those things now, guys, they're gonna try and, if they can go to America and make life better, they're gonna go there. And you see, once they go to America and things are going for them, most of them are going to send back their money to my yard. So guys, I don't like when people get it twisted, like, and it's not every Jamaican, because me no want to run off nobody country. Me alright at Jamaica. Me love Jamaica. I love my country. I can speak for myself. I love my country. I would never run off in America if you were. American are better rose. We are Jamaicans, but we are not all the same. Not everyone now want to run off America. Now to the Jamaican government. You can do much better for the economy. Do something for the Jamaican economy. Young people leaving school. Guys, when you think about education in this country, it's ridiculous. Education should be so affordable that everyone can afford education, but it is so expensive. People, when you leave high school, you can't even think about going to college because that is an arm, a leg, a foot, an eye, and all your body parts. And then they will say, okay, go get a skill at heart or so on. And those places, those government places, are one of the hardest things to get into. Do something for young people in the country who are leaving school and may not have a good education. They need job. They need something to fall back on. It's just ridiculous to know that there are so many people that they even have skills. Guys, people are coming out of college, right? And they can't get a job. Why is it that the government is not providing jobs for people so when they leave school, they can pay back their student loan, they can get job to take care of themselves and their family? Come on. Things need to be done. Some people are working a 9-to-5 job on minimum wage. And that can't help them. Why is it that this country can't have like people working more than one jobs, just like what it is in America and Canada and those countries where you can work more than one jobs? You work probably 5 hours here and you go there and work a 6 hour and something. Why it can't happen in Jamaica? Why people have to work 9-to-5 job and the salary is ridiculous? Something need to be done for the Jamaican people so the Jamaican people can stop running off to go to different country and then get deported and bad name. Right? So most people, their skill is their hands-on thing that they learn as they are growing. Probably their father could do mason or was a carpenter, and the father teaches son, and the son can teach his son, and something, or they say to running the family, something like that. If you should interview some Jamaicans right now in America or whichever country, and you should ask them, why did you run from your country and come and live in that particular country, they would tell you it's because of the economy, right? Things are so expensive, and the simplest thing like food, which is supposed to be so affordable, that is ridiculously expensive. No Jamaican just want to just get up and leave their country. Jamaica is a really nice place to live, you know. Jamaica is a really nice place to live, and the people are so friendly and they are very kind. Please share your thoughts. Let me know your opinion. What do you think? Do you think that Jamaican go to America because yes, them can do better than Jamaica, but them just greedy, or I don't know? What do you think? Share your thoughts in the comment.
Who live in the United States. I would want to reassure Jamaicans that your government has long been planning and putting in place measures to address any changes in policies in the United States. Firstly, let me say that Jamaica is the homeland. So Jamaicans all over the world will always be welcome back to your homeland. And we are prepared to receive all our hardworking Jamaicans who have been in the United States or wherever they may have gone for economic benefits. Jamaica has always been, since its colonial days to now, a net supplier of talent to the world. It may be a good thing to have some of our Jamaican talent return to our shores to help us to build our country. There are many Jamaicans now who are feeling uncertain in the United States and who are considering returning on their own to avoid the indignity of being deported. And we welcome you back to Jamaica. We want your talent. We want your resources. There are many opportunities in Jamaica that together we can take advantage of and build the country that we would want. But let me be clear that for those Jamaicans who intend to come back with crime and violence to undermine what we have been building here, let me be clear to you that this is not the Jamaica that you left 10 or 20 years ago. It is not the JCF that you left 10 or 20 years ago. You will either meet a judge or your maker if you come back to Jamaica and violate our laws and create havoc. I know that there are many who will be returning to Jamaica, coming back to lovely communities like these, rural areas like these, and they may attempt to set up gangs, get involved in scamming, and undermine the values of the communities that they return to. We will not tolerate that.